here with Hayashi Trades. So I just want to do a midweek pre-market assessment. And I know the question on many traders' minds today and for the rest of the week and probably for the rest of the year is, are we in a bull market or a bear market? And I'm here to tell you that nobody really knows. Technically, as of this week, we're downtrending. We didn't have a bullish Monday because Monday was Labor Day. Tuesday, which is typically a bullish day, was very bearish. So we don't know. So those are two things that are unusual. But I know that a lot of times, recent years after Labor Day has been actually a pretty bearish day. So that is typical. So we shouldn't worry too much about that. But what I want to tell you more importantly is that instead of just worrying, are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? Is it up? Is it down? And trying to speculate and trying to put a label on it all the time, look at the chart, look at the price action, and trade what you see. And don't worry about if it's this, if it's that. It can be anything. And you should be diverse and strategic and enough of a problem solver with experience that it doesn't matter what kind of a market it is. It doesn't matter what's happening on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis. You have enough in your skill set to profit and to trade no matter what is going on the short side, on the long side, especially if you're trading options, because you have so many ways that you can trade. You don't need to wait for a bull market to be profitable. So now let's look at what SPY did. Zooming in, just for you. So on Tuesday, it was trading at 344, but Tuesday meaning yesterday, but it's gone all the way down. It hit a low, which looked like a double bottom at 329. And now, as of the past few hours, it's been trending up, so we might be seeing a bounce or reversal here, but it's still nowhere close to where it dropped off from Monday. It's got a long way to go, but we'll see what happens. Traders could be hungry. People might want to buy. The market makers might want to run it up, so let's see what happens. And then, of course, I'm going to look at Tesla. How is Tesla holding up? I know many people are thinking, boom, it's going to eat and fall all the way down to 300. It did close yesterday at 330, but now it's trading at 352. And so far, check out the VWAP here, the purple line. It's been holding out level. So let's see. Oh, yay! I think something just hit my price target. Anyway, excuse the background noise. So Tesla's holding that 350 level really, really strong. I want to see what it does at market open. It could surprise us. Tesla has that potential. It hasn't really shown its potential since last week, but I think that potential is still there, and everyone's still scratching their heads thinking, okay, well, what about if it's ever going to be included in the S&P 500? Well, the answer is not right now, but it doesn't mean that it's never going to happen. And I think those who know when it's going to happen are not going to tell us until it happens. So unless we have inside information, we just got to wait and see and exercise patience. But please don't pull your hair out wondering if it's a bull market or a bear market. That doesn't really matter. Just trade what is right in front of you. Look at your support, look at your resistance, look at your price levels, go out on different time frames, and go from there. Don't worry about the labels. The labels are not going to save you. You just need to trade what is right in front of you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do for the rest of the week. Even if that means not trading, and I did say trade what's in front of you, by that I mean just watch and see. And please, this is my personal rule. You don't have to stick to it, but it's helped me out of a lot of sticky situations. And when I broke this rule, I got into sticky situations. Just let the market show you what's going to happen the first 30 minutes. There's no reason to jump into anything or even jump out of anything unless there's a super obvious catalyst that you know exactly what's going to happen. Just let the dust settle a little bit. The first 30 minutes is usually chaotic anyway, so just wait and see. The market will tell you what's going to happen. All right? So happy trading, good luck, and I will see you on the other side of the bell, closing bell. Bye!